The alphabet is made up of two types of letters, the vowels and the consonants. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Each of these vowels has two sounds. They can take a short or a long sound. Short vowel sounds pronounce the vowels as the letter sound, and long vowel sounds pronounce the vowels as the letter name. Here are the long and short vowel sounds. A, short vowel, and A, long vowel. A, short vowel, and E, long vowel. E, short vowel, and I, long vowel. A, short vowel, and O, long vowel. A, short vowel, and U, long vowel. Listen to the sound made by the vowel at the beginning of each of these words. For A, short sound is A, as in apple, and long sound is A, as in apron. For E, short sound is A, as in egg, and long sound is E, as in earrings. For I, short sound is E, as in igloo, and long sound is I, as in ice cream. For O, short sound is A, as in onion, and long sound is O, as in oats. For U, short sound is A, as in umbrella, and long sound is U, as in uniform.